Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a short routine for you that can help you to relax the body, settle the mind, and feel more grounded. But before we begin, if you like Qigong and want to grow your practice beyond YouTube, consider joining my membership site. You get access to weekly live classes every Sunday. You can also watch them on replay at any time. You get access to in-depth courses and tutorials, members Q&A, and other membership benefits. I'm going to put more information right in this corner or in the description below this video. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and tall and take a moment here to adjust your alignment. Keep your feet firm on the ground. Tuck your tailbone in to relax and flatten your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders, allowing a little bit of space under the armpits. And mentally reach upwards through the crown of the head. We're going to begin with a full body shake. This is a good exercise to release stress, tension. Bring your awareness to your wrists and the fingers. Every time you shake, feel all the stress and tension draining away from the body. Lift your elbows, shake it down. Stay nice and relaxed. Allow your body to soften. Very good. Next, lift your shoulders up, drop them down. One more time. Relax. From here, we're gonna bounce into the feet, trying to relax as much as we can. Keep your spine nice and straight, your lower back relaxed. And allow yourself to let go, to soften. And observe all the sensations in your body. Gently turn to the side. Come back to center. Slow it down. Take a nice deep breath in through the sides. Exhale down the center. Allow your whole body to relax and soften. Breathe in. Gathering calming energy around you and let it flow down the center of the body, all the way to your feet. Releasing all the stress. We breathe in. We'll let it wash down. And away from the body. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Then go ahead and raise your hands through the sides. Press out, look up. Release. Allow your whole body to soften. Breathe in as you go up. Gently press out, exhale. Breathe in. And on a big exhale, soften. Twice more like that. Breathe in. Breathe out, look up. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. From here, circle your hips. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Very good. Return to center. And then move your hips forward, shifting your weight onto the front. Release, your hips slide back. Go forward again, as if you're opening a book. Moving your hips forward. Release, and go back. Open as you breathe in. Exhale as you go back. Focusing primarily on your hips. Keep your knees bent as they shift the weight forward. Relax your hips as you go back. Go forward and back. Lessen your effort. Allow yourself to relax as you move slowly. Twice more like that. We open. And slide to the back. And then you stand up. This time, go and rotate your hips in the opposite direction. If you don't remember which direction there was before, go and rotate clockwise. Very good. Come back to center. Unlock your knees, relax your tailbone down, relax your lower back. Keep your stance wider than the shoulders, or at least the same width of the shoulders, and begin moving your hips in the figure of 8. Allow your upper body to relax, as if your body is being carried on the tray. Your legs is your foundation, but your upper body is nice and relaxed. You're floating or swimming. Then bring your hands near your abdomen. Go ahead and circle right in front of you. Stay grounded through your feet. Full awareness of your lower body. Imagine as if you're standing in the lake. Beautiful lake, crystal clear, calm. Your hands are lightly touching the surface. Allow yourself to fully submerge into the water. Bring your awareness to your belly. The sensations underneath your palms. As you gently skim in the water. Very good. One more time. And bring your hands near your abdomen and circle the other way. Your hips continue to move from side to side. Stay with the image of a beautiful lake. The surface is calm, it's crystal clear, so you can see the bottom of it. Visualize your favorite color of blue or green, a sense of serenity, calmness, all surrounding you. Allow your breath to be deep and relaxed. Breathe in within the movement. Very good. One more time. And bring your hands near your abdomen. Staying fully focused on what's happening right here. Turn your palms to face your abdomen. Unlock your knees, relax your lower back. And take a moment to concentrate on yourself, the area inside your belly, and the energy that you feel between your palms. Take a couple of deep breaths into your belly. Very good. Slowly close by guiding the energy and your awareness to your belly. Bring your attention to your feet, deeply rooted into the ground. Allow your mind to be calm and still. And be fully present in your body. Slowly open your eyes. Relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice, calm, relaxed, and balanced. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.